The real estate agent handed me the keys with a smile, calling it the deal of a lifetime. It was perfect, except for one thing. The previous owner was a bit of a tech geek and had installed security cameras in every room. He said I could remove them, but I figured why not keep them? The first night I stayed at my parents', I checked the live feed from my phone. A floorboard creaked in the empty living room. Then a door slowly swung shut upstairs. The motion sensor in the hallway lit up. The cameras never stopped recording movement, but the house was always empty. "I move in tomorrow,"